Hi, this is Mayor. Today is September 19th, Thursday, and I'm going to share my recap right now. I had 3 trades today. Choppy day, not didn't get any follow through. I mean, actually, one trade I got followed through, but in the beginning, in the first few minutes, where that's really where I get the most, where I have the most success, is I traded DRI, trading restaurants. So they gapped down. I believe it was on earnings news. They had some negative earnings. So I was following it. It came up on the gappers right before the open. And I liked this price range, and it seemed like I had good range, good volatility. So right at the open, I took it. It ended up really not doing much. It was pretty choppy at the open, but I took a trade. I took a trade here. So here I saw it open. It was up and down, up and down. Then it had this big move up through VWAP, but it couldn't really hold above VWAP. So when it came down, I took my short. I got filled here at 121.50. The spread was pretty bad. And I put my stop here at 120, 122. So I got this drop looking for it to follow through, and right away I got squeezed all the way up here, so I got stopped out at 122. So that was my first trade. Then I was kept on watching it a little bit, and I saw that it just stopped me out at 122 and then dropped right back down. So here I decided, you know what, let me try to take another stab at it. So I took another stab here at 121.50. Then here when I moved down to 50 cents at about 1 hour, I took off my first partial when it cracked 120, or actually 121. And this wick, I don't know, it was a big spread, so I don't think I could have gotten this on the market fill. Then I saw it couldn't. It was really hesitating. I wanted to take another partial around here, around 121. But the stock moved up so quickly, so I got about fill, and then I got all out at break even. So this was my DRI, choppy. I lost money on it, so I just moved on. So I looked over to Twilio. Twilio today was gapping up. It had the analyst upgrade, and I'm not quite sure what else the news was. As you can see, here, had a big gap up. It gave back most of the gains, but that was the gap up in the morning. But somehow that price action after the open, although the gap was up, the price action was saying short, and it was saying that it's very weak. So I didn't see it in the first few minutes. I didn't see it as I was busy trading DRI. So here I was watching it, and I saw that it poked its head through VWAP, but it couldn't close it above VWAP. So here I went short at 115.76. I got filled. I had my stop here at above 116 at above VWAP. And I had to wait a little bit through this, and then it dropped. I started covering at 115.50, which was the $half. And it was like a 1-to-1. Then I got here. They're here at 115. 115.25 I covered. Then when it broke 115, I covered again. Then it was like a little bit choppy here. I was trying to be patient. These exits I probably shouldn't. I still had a half of my position on after these 3 partials, so probably I should have been more patient. But unfortunately, I was getting nervous over here, and it wasn't really moving. So I took off another 2 partials over here, and then we got this big drop. It was nice at 114. $half I covered again, then I covered here, and I was all out towards the whole dollar of 114. So this trade was good enough. I made back my money that I lost on DRI and a little bit more, just to cover the commissions. So this was my trades. This was the Twilio on the 5 minutes. Hope everyone had a good day, and thank you for watching.